Hey guys, Jambo, this is Jeff Carbuoy. Welcome back to this channel. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. And today we are not great day. So we have these annoying wipers, and these guys, this is how you tell that you actually need brand new wipers. I can't even put on my music because even if I do, I can't even hear anything with this kind of annoying noise. So let's get these wipers changed out. Time now. Stay tuned. So to change out the wipers, all you need is brand new wipers. I got this. It's a Bose blonde. So need two wipers, and all you need is lift it up and slide these wipers down. This is the old ones. And they slide down like that, and it's out. Time to replace it. Right, and same thing with this one on the right side. Lift it up and slide it down. And it's out. So these are the new wipers. If you look them, they look different. They look different with this, with the old ones. This is a new version, and it comes with the instructions. So it comes with the instruction on how to install them on different type of wiper arms. So this is the instruction right here for installing our version. If it uses a different version, these type of wipe arms, they come with more hardware so that it can fit your version. Let's go try this. Click here. Open it up, and this, and then the wiper will slide in like here. Boom. And now we have brand new wipers. Let's wait for the rain and try it out. As you can see, the new wipers are now working perfectly. No more weird scrambling noise. Nice and smooth wipers, and this is how the wiper should perform. Not like the weird noise we had the other day. Right now I can easily turn on my music and enjoy my music without all the noise that was there. So thank you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so, and leave your comment down below, like, share with your friends also, and tell them to subscribe. Thank you very much. Stay tuned.